afternoon, students. I am Padmini. I welcome you all to this live session. Today, we are going to discuss some exercises or activities on finite and non-finite verbs. So, already we have discussed what is a finite verb and non-finite verb. Okay? So, what is a finite verb and non-finite verb? For example, she likes to sing. She likes to sing. This sentence contains two verbs. Okay. First is likes and second one sing. So how can we identify in these two verbs which is the finite verb and which is non-finite verb? So we will change this sentence into past form. She likes to sing. So what is the past form of this sentence? She liked to sing. So the first verb, like, it changes according to the tense. But the second verb, it does not change its form. It remains same. So when a verb, according to the subject and according to the tense, the verb changes its form, then it is known as the finite verb. And according to the tense and according to the subject, if a verb does not change its form, then it is known as the non-finite verbs. So there are three types of non-finite verbs. What are those? That is, first one, to plus infinitive. And it is also two types, to plus infinitive and bare infinitive. Then number two is gerund. And number three is participles. So there are three types of non-finite verbs. Okay. So let's discuss some exercises on finite and non-finite verbs. Okay, let's start. My dear students, I need your response. Okay, means you should give the answers in this comment section. Okay. So number one exercise, fill in the blanks using infinitives with or without to. Number one, I have a good many things days at the office. In bracket given to. Whether we will use here to plus infinitive or bare infinitive. I have a good many things to do. Yeah, very good. To do at the office. Then number two. Did you manage there's anything to eat? Did you manage there's anything to eat? In bracket given get. Did you manage to get anything to eat? Number three. She threatened this. In bracket given resign. She threatened to resign. Okay. Then number four. I would rather this tea. Always remember, if a sentence contains would rather, then we must use their bare infinitive. We must use their bare infinitive. So what is the answer here? I would rather drink. Very good. We have to use infinitives without to. I dare not days far away. Look here. See, hear, dare, bid, let, make, watch. If these words are there in the sentence, then we must use their bare infinitives, or we can say without to. So, I dare not days far away. Then what will be the answer? I dare not days far away. I dare not go. I dare not go far away. We saw him days into the car. We saw him, saw. Here, see. We saw him days into the car. We saw him get into the car. Okay, then next. Some of the crowd attempted this through the police cordon. Break. To break. Okay. Then next. I heard him days late. I heard him come late. Because the sentence contains heard. If heard is there, we must use the verb infinitive. Okay? Please arrange for a taxi. Please arrange for a taxi. This us after the film show. Please arrange for a taxi. This us after the film show. To correct. To collect us after the film show. Okay? So let's discuss another exercises. I had rather dash than dash by car. I had rather. If the sentence contains had rather, then what? We must use the bare infinitive. So I had rather work than go by car. Okay. I prefer dash tea than coffee. If the sentence contains prefer, then also we have to use their bare infinitive. Bare infinitive we have to use. Then what we must use here? Drink. I prefer drink tea than coffee. Okay. She saw me days late to the class. She saw me. Here saw is there. Then what we must use here? Bare infinitive. She saw me come late to the class. The thief broke the window. Test the house. The thief broke the window to enter the house. She saw me dash the house. She saw me dash the house. Saw is there. Then what we must use? Bare infinitive. She saw me leave the house. She saw me leave the house. Okay? So, your next exercise, fill in the blanks with correct participles forms of the verb. Correct participle forms of the verb. So, here, correct participle forms of the verb. There are two types of participles. One is present participle and another one is past participle. Another one is past participle. So there are two types of participles. One is present participle, another one is past participle. For example, going. Going is known as the present participle and gone is known as the past participle. So present participle is going and past participle is known as gone. Okay? So based on that, let's discuss this exercise. First one. They invited us to their newly days house by. Newly? Yes, bought. My dear students, I need answers from your side in this comment section. Okay? Number 2. They took the day's child to the hospital. Here given injured. Then what will happen? Injured child. They took the injured child to hospital. It was an day's journey. Excite. Anyone? Yes, exciting journey. It was an exciting journey. They bought a tin of days mangoes, pickled. Yes, we will use here the past participle, that is pickled. Pickled mangoes. The day's bag was recovered by the police. Stole, steal given. The stolen bag, yes. The stolen bag was recovered by the police. The day's team was given the second prize, defeat. Yes, the defeated team. The defeated team was given the second prize. She was wearing a newly day's shirt. She was wearing a newly stitched. She was wearing a newly stitched shirt. She has nice manners. She has pleasing manners. They came to a day's field. They came to a deserted field. Yeah. The old man had a dazed look on his face. In the bracket given worried. The old man has a worried face. Worried look. The old man had a worried look on his face. Okay. My dear students, your next exercise is fill in the blanks using the participle forms of the appropriate verbs from the box. So here, 1. Move, print, publish, wait, fly, excite, train, still, eat, speak. These words are given. So you have to make it the participle form of these verbs and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay? So number 1, a glider is a desk machine without an engine. Which is the correct answer here? Move, print, publish, wait, fly. Yeah, very good. A glider is a flying machine. A glider is a flying machine without an engine. I need answers from your side, my dear students, in this comment section. Okay? Number 2. Sudha's mind is full of day stories. Sudha's mind is full of day stories. Move, print, publish, wait, fly. Fly already we have used. Excite. Yeah, very good. Sudha's mind is full of exciting stories. Full of exciting stories. Okay. This is a book on days English. This is a book on days English. This is a book on move, print, publish, wait, fly. Fly already you have used. Excite already you have used. Train, still, eat and speak. Yeah, very good. This is a book on spoken English. The day's room was crowded with passengers. So already we have used fly, excite and speak. The day's room, move, print, publish, wait. Yeah, very good. The waiting room. The waiting room was crowded with passengers. Next, the doctor has told him to change his day's habit. Move, print, publish, train, still, eat. Yeah, very good. The doctor has told him to change his eating habits. Very good. He works as an editor in a day's house. He works as an editor in a day's house. Move, print, publish. Yeah, publishing house. In a publishing house. And an escalator is a day's staircase. Move, very good, is a moving staircase. We are sort of day's workers. We are sort of trained workers. She was caught with the day's money. She was caught with the day's money. Still, stolen money. Very good. She was caught with the stolen money. My uncle is setting up a new day's press. Last one is print. Printing press. So, moving print, printing, publish, publishing, wait, waiting, fly, flying, excite, exciting, train, trained, steal, stolen, eat, eating, and speak, spoken. Okay? So, we have already filled the blanks. So, let's go to your next exercise. Okay. My dear students, your next exercise is underline the gerunds in the following sentences. So, what is known as gerunds? When a verb is used as the subject of the sentence or object of the sentence or acts as the noun of the sentence, then it is known as gerund. For example, swimming is a good exercise. I love cycling. So, cycling, swimming, both are verbs. But in these sentences, they are used as the nouns. So, they are known as the or subject. So, they are known as the gerunds. Skydiving is a thrilling sport. So, you have to underline the gerunds. Skydiving is a thrilling sport. Skydiving. The girl was praised for doing the work regularly. The girl was praised for doing with the gerund. Most students possess the art of writing. So, writing is the gerund. Learning makes a man perfect. Learning. Cancer is often caused by smoking cigarettes. Yes, smoking. I need the answers from your side, my dear students, in this comment section. Okay. He is fond of playing football. Playing. The next. In Delhi, begging is not allowed legally. Begging. Kite flying is loved by children. Flying, kite flying. Thinking does not make a man perfect. Yes, very good. Thinking. Playing is a good for health. Playing. Swimming is a very good exercise for women. Swimming. Painting is a good hobby for everyone. Painting. So, these are the gerunds. These are the verbs, but they act as the subject or object in the sentence or noun as in the sentence. So, they are known as gerunds. So, like skydiving, you're doing, writing, learning, smoking, playing, begging, kite flying, thinking, playing, swimming, and painting. So, these are known as the gerunds. Okay? My dear students, your next exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct infinitive, participle or gerund forms of the verbs given in brackets. So, my dear students, I need answers from your side, okay, in this comment section. He is good at this tape recorders. He is good at repairing. He is good at repairing tape recorders. She is sure of this the examination. She is sure of passing. Passing the examination. Please remember this later. Please remember to post. Please remember to post this later. She gave me this cake to eat. Bunt. B-U-R-N-T. She gave me a bunt cake to eat. This food is not always good to eat. Canned food. Canned food is not always good to eat. He is trying this improve. He is trying to improve. trying to improve. I had the strangers meet. I had to meet strangers. I had to meet strangers. I heard him dance in his bath. I heard him, here given heard. I heard him sing in his bath. Or we can write here, I heard him singing in his bath also correct. I heard him singing in his bath. Because heard, always you will use the bare infinitive. He has sent a text message. He has sent a writing message. Here both are correct. Singing you can write or sing also you can write. I heard him sing in his bath or I heard him singing in his bath. She had a dazed face, smiling face. She had a smiling face. Okay? Okay students, let's discuss another exercise of your book. Okay, this is underline the gerunds, participles and infinitives in each sentence. Okay, in each sentence and name them in the brackets. So in the bracket you have to write what is this. Okay, so first one, her singing was excellent. Her singing was excellent. Here singing. Singing is what? Singing is what? Is a gerund here. So here singing is a gerund. Singing is a word, it is a verb. But here it used as the subject in the sentence. So her singing was excellent. So singing used as a gerund here. Number 2. You must use only distilled water. You must use only distilled water. So distilled is what? It is a participle. So always remember it is past participle you can say also. Or you can write only participle. So how can you know this is a participle? It is a verb, but in this sentence it used as an adjective. It is used as an adjective. So when the verb is used as an adjective in the sentence, then it is known as the participle. It used as the subject in the sentence. Then next, he shall accept only a written request. He shall accept only a written request. This written is a participle. Okay, then next. The children seem to like their new teacher. To like. It is infinitive. It is to plus infinitive. Okay. The next one. Ramesh does not disobey his father. Ramesh dare not disobey his father. Here, disobey. As I said that there are two types of infinitive. One is to plus infinitive and another one is bare infinitive. If the sentence contains dare, then we must use the bare infinitive. So disobey is the bare infinitive. Traveling is becoming very fashionable. So traveling. It is used as the gerund. As I said, if the verbs used as the subject in the sentence or noun is the sentence, then it is known as gerund. So traveling is a verb, but in this sentence it is used as the subject. So it is known as gerund. Okay? Then the next one. To lie is wrong. To lie is 2 plus infinitive. Okay? My dear students, next one. He is good at swimming. He is good at swimming. So swimming. Swimming is a verb, but here it is used as the object. So the gerund means it can be used as the subject or as an object. So here it is known as gerund. Okay, next one. I was in the party meeting, your brother at the station. Party meeting. Party meeting is what? It is a compound noun. And meeting is, again, it is a gerund. She did nothing. She did nothing but cry all day. This cry is bare infinitive. Okay? My dear students, I need answers from your side in this comment section. Then next, the students decided to meet the principal. To meet. It is 2 plus infinitive. Infinitive. She has a burning desire to be rich. Burning desire. It used as the adjective in a sentence. It used as the adjective. So what is this? It is known as participle. And it is used as the burning, means present participle. It is used as the present participle. She has a burning desire to be rich. Next, I shall be interested to hear from you. To hear. It's 2 plus infinitive. Okay. The next one. I saw him come. Saw. It always stays the bare infinitive. So come. Come is what? It is bare infinitive. Okay. Okay children, the next number, that is the next day I saw the same boat return. So return. H, the sentence contains saw. So what we must use here? The bare infinitive. So return is bare infinitive. So return is bare infinitive. Delhi is one of the most polluted cities of the world. Polluted. It is used as the adjective of this sentence. So it is known as the past participle. Past participle. The police restored the kidnapped child to his parents. So kidnapped. It is also used as the adjective in the sentence. So it is also past participle. Okay. I should like to know where he is now. I should like to know. It is 2 plus infinitive. Okay. Then we left our our clothes to dry in the sun. We left our clothes to dry in the sun. To dry. It's 2 plus infinitive. Okay, next one. We had to make the journey in the scorching heat. Scorching heat. So scorching. Scorching is used as the adjective in this sentence. What kind of adjective? It is used as the adjective in the sentence. So it is a participle. And what kind of participle? Is there is ing form. So it is known as the present participle. So in this class, we have discussed exercises on finite and non-finite verbs.